Hi guys, welcome to another video. I have been so naughty again. More than once. There are many things to come. That's all I'm going to say. But this is a luxury bag unboxing and I am so happy with this. Let's get going. So guys, I found this absolute beautiful bag. This is one that got away. This is the bag that got away. And I don't know how I managed to find it, and it is amazing. It is amazing, and I've been teasing this one for a while. So I'm going to get it open. This is from Fendi. Now, I did say in my previous video I wanted you guys to guess, and some of you did guess, some of you got it wrong, but yeah, I think a lot of you know me very well. I found this fabulous bargain, and I'm going to call it a bargain because it was, and I was so lucky to get it. Anyway, I've got a whole story behind it. I will get it unboxed and then we can talk about it. So it did come from, it is pre-loved, and I got it from Vestiaire Collective, and it came in all the box and everything else, and it came with the shopping bag. And it's also, this is not a true unboxing, by the way. I have wrapped it back up. For full transparency, I have been using this bag. I have been using this bag and I adore it. So spoiler alert. Anyway, let's get into it. So here is the box. Let's put that down there. Here is the box, and it is, honestly, I can't even get into the box. So it came with the box, with the shopping bag, with the dust bag. It came with everything. So let's get into it. I know that some of you will know exactly what this is. So here it is. Just look at it. Honestly, I adore this bag. So let me introduce you in the first place. Let me present to you. This is my mini Fendi baguette, and it is in the, I think it's just called like the multi-colourway, but mine is this version, which is the blue. It's got a little bit of black, a little bit of brown. Has anyone seen my recent video? I don't know what's happened to me. I do not know what's happened. I am loving brown, and also, anyway, that's for another video, but yeah, I might have bought a brown bag. Just saying. Anyway, this brown, it goes so well with the blue and the neutral background. So let me just show you the side and the back of this. It's just beautiful. And I do find that the fabric versions of the baguettes, because they've got the piping on the outside here, it just feels, it's very structured. And I do think you can just get a little bit more in it just because of, actually, I don't know, just because of how it's made. Anyway, let's get fully inside. It's got the little top handle in the blue leather, and then it's got the inside of this is all fabric. So it has the crossbody strap, which I love. So you can see that it's got the card slots, and then it's all just fabric. I love the length of this. The length of this as a crossbody is spot on for me. It is detachable, it isn't adjustable, but it is perfect for me. Also, you can take off the top handle if you so desire, but I like it with both. And this bag is just so easy. It's just so easy. I've been wearing this bag, and I have found it amazing. It fits everything that you need. My wallet, my keys, my sunglasses, a tiny little pouch with lipsticks and everything. Everything does go in here. So it is a brilliant bag. I think it's fabulous for the evening, but for during the day, especially in this fabric in the summer, I just think it's I keep saying fabulous, but it's a fabulous bag. I'm just going to grab, where is my, so this, welcome, but this is my other mini baguette, and they look so different, don't they? And I love that about the baguette. I love how all the different finishes make it look a completely different bag, even though it is essentially a mini baguette. So yeah, these are the sort of things that you can really start collecting without feeling like you've got the same thing and gravitating to the same thing all the time. This is very evening and blingy and flashy. This is very casual and I don't know, just a bit more summery maybe. Just love them. I absolutely love the mini baguette. So I am so happy. So happy that I managed to find this. So let me just tell you what happened. I saw this back in, I think it was February or March time in London, and I tried this on and I really loved it. So why didn't I buy it then? Well, the only reason I didn't buy it then was there was something else on my mind, and I ended up getting 2 bags that weekend. It was my Goyard bag and then my flower crown, and I wasn't anticipating buying 2 bags that weekend, but I ended up buying them, and yes I did. So I just couldn't justify I couldn't justify a 3rd bag, and I just thought I would leave this. I would leave this one. I thought it was fabulous and wonderful, but did I really need it? Well, since then it's never left my mind, and I think that's when you know that you really love something, is when you keep coming back to it and you keep coming back to it. Anyway, it got to the point where I thought, yes, I think I do love it. Of course, it's sold out by that point. The season's gone. It's not available anymore. Other ones were coming out in all different iterations. None of them spoke to me like this one did. Just none of them. The colours, there's so many different ones coming out now. The colours are just not, they're just not this one. And I just kept thinking, oh, I should have just got it. It was a fabulous price. Anyway, I did, obviously. I thought it was the one that got away. And then when I was looking through Fashion File for my New York, and all the vlogs are coming, guys, everything's coming, everything. Hang fire, because oh my goodness, there is so much to tell you, but that's for another video. But while I was doing my wish list and my picks for Fashion File, because we were going to Fashion File, then anyway, I'm so excited to tell you all about New York. Anyway, when I was doing my my wish list for Fashion File of things I wanted to have a look at, this popped up, and it was a really good price. So it was straight to my wish list. I was so excited. I sent a picture of it to Amelia and to Meredith and said, it's there, that's the thing I'm going to buy in Fashion File. Oh, I can't believe it. Not only can I find it, it's a really good price and it looks perfect. Fast forward maybe 2 days, or maybe even a day, I think it was very soon. It was sold. So I kept refreshing my wish list, and it said sold, and I was really, I wouldn't say devastated, but you know what I mean. I was very sad, and I thought, oh, that was my chance. It got away again. Maybe it's just not meant to be. And then I went on to Vestiaire, and I was just having a look, and it just appeared. It just appeared on Vestiaire, and again, it was an amazing price, and it wasn't one that you could put an offer in. It was a fixed price, and the price was amazing. And yeah, I thought I am going to click add to cart, and that was it. And I wasn't buying anything before going to New York, because why would I? I'm going to New York. I don't want to spend any funds, but I just couldn't leave this behind. And here it is. Now, there was another little story to go with this as well, that it was listed as brand new, never worn, completely new, with tags, everything else. And when it went to, once I bought it, the system is that it goes to Vestiaire, they do their authentication service, and they just double check everything before then it gets sent out to me. And I got a message from them saying they'd received it, and it wasn't as per the listing, that it had wear to it, that it was scratched, and I had a choice. I had a choice of whether I still wanted it with all those things known, or whether I wanted to just cancel my order and get a refund. And I just thought, oh no, why do people do that? Why are you just not transparent about the condition of something? Because somebody's going to check it and look at it, aren't they? So anyway, Vestiaire sent me all of the details of what they believed was different to the listing, and it included some scratches on the hardware here, and also some scratches on the hardware under here, and I don't know if that is coming up or not. Now, I obviously decided to go ahead because it was a great price anyway, so even if it had a little bit of wear, I wasn't too worried about that. This one had a little bit of wear on the hardware, and it doesn't bother me. It's fine as long as I know, and as long as the price reflects that and everything else, that's fine by me. But yeah, when I actually got this and looked at it, I think they were very, 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 what's the word, overzealous, shall we say. But it's good because it shows that Vestiaire was super careful. But honestly, I don't know if this is coming up or not. There might be some fingerprints on here, but I actually, in the flesh, couldn't even see where the scratches were, because unless it goes under a really bright light, it's really hard to see any. And this still had the sticker on here. This is definitely scratched. I don't know if that is coming up. That is scratched just by somebody moving this around, but that is gonna get scratched, and who cares? It's probably the ones in the store are already a little bit scratched, because you can't cover every single little bit of it with stickers. So yeah, that was the story. I thought it got away in London. I then thought I'd found it on Fashion File. It then got sold. I then thought I'd bought it from Vestiaire, and yeah, then they sent me a message saying it wasn't as per the listing. So I thought I'd lost it again, or potentially lost it again, but no, it is finally in my hands and I adore it. So let me know, guys, did you see this maybe on Instagram? Let me know. A couple of you messaged me to say, haha, I was right, you did buy that bag. So I think you guys know that I am, yeah, I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. I think it's a fabulous bag. So yeah, there is my new addition. So stay tuned, guys. There is so much New York content. I cannot even start to tell you how excited I am to share it all with you. It was insane. I can't even believe I'm back home, and yeah, anyway, it's a whole other video, so stay tuned for New York vlog and just content in general. Oh, amazing. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you on another one.